There's a big secret to playing Can't Find My Way Home by Blind Faith. It is not nearly as hard as everybody thinks it is. It is such a beautiful thing to play, and I don't want you to miss it because you think it's too hard. I'm going to teach you kind of the version of Steve Winwood by the Fireside, one of the most beautiful videos on YouTube. Let's get right to it. I'm going to tell you the secret right away. I'm not going to make you wait for it. Psychologically, when you're learning this song, you have to approach it as a simple strumming tune first, and then later the picking pattern is easy to apply. I'm going to show you both ways. Let me prove myself real quick. Listen to this. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now listen to this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Do you see that the strokes are exactly the same? Okay, let's learn the easy part first, and then I'll show you exactly which strings to hit on the picking part. Now, look at this chord chart down here. Guess what? There are going to be no tabs in this video. So if you don't like reading tab, I'm not going to show you a tab in this video because this is how you learn the tune. Okay, let's learn these easy chords together. Go ahead and find that first chord for me. 5th string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret. This is a C add 9 chord. Do this strumming pattern with me. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, switch your 5th string to the 2nd fret. Ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up. Shift your 5th string all the way back to the 1st fret. This is a G minor chord. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, regular rock and roll D chord. Try to emphasize the 5th string a little bit. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, leave that 3rd finger there. Reach across for 6th string, 3rd fret. Down, down, up, down, up. Now come up, bring that middle finger up to the 5th fret of the 6th string. That's a G, straight G chord. Do mute out the 5th string because we don't want it. Down, down, up, down, up, and then back to a straight D chord. Emphasize the 6th string this time. Down, down, up, down, up, and at the very end, hit one more downstroke, and then lift your middle finger and hammer down on the 1st string. Do a little hammer there, because he does that pretty frequently in the tune. Okay, that's the easy way to learn this song. You have to do that first before you do the picking, okay? It sounds like this complete without me talking. Ready, go. Let's learn the strumming part of the chorus, okay? Still no picking yet. It's coming soon, it's coming soon. All right, start on your G chord this time, which in our drop tuning is the 5th fret of 6. Make sure your middle finger's killing the 5, okay? And don't hit the 1, kind of make your strumming a little more shallow on this chord. Okay, ready? Twice. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then he comes to this great chord, which is an A7 sus4 chord. 4th string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret. 2 times, 5 strings of strum. Straight rock and roll D chord twice. Now here's kind of a funky chord, but you can see him do this chord clearly in the video. Reach your middle finger all the way down for the 2nd fret of the 6th string. You can use your 1st finger if you want to, but this is what he does. Okay, 2 times. Okay, now come back to your G chord, 5th fret of the 6th string only. Ready? 1 time only. Now he hits this kind of funky chord here. It is a bar. Bar your A chord like this, and then reach out for the 5th string, 4th fret. That's our C sharp. Hit it only once. And then he uses his middle finger. You can use your 1st finger. I'll use my middle finger. Bar 3 strings, 4, 5, and 6 on the 2nd fret. Hit that. Just try to hit the bass notes there and end up back on your D chord. Okay, so that's the sequence that you see there on your screen. All right, let me play that for you without talking. All right, here we go. The chorus goes like this. And do that little hammer thing at the end as well. Now that we know psychologically this song is just a simple strumming tune, Now we can apply those strums to individual strings, and that's what's happening in this song, okay? Now, in that video of Steve Winwood by the fireside, you can clearly see he's just jamming out. The pattern is not always consistent that he does in the song, and it's not in the original track either. But I'm going to give you a very learnable pattern. Okay, so I'm still going to go like this, guys. Down, down, up, down, up. But I'm going to hit individual strings. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so your first chord, look at those numbers I wrote. Those are the strings you hit. 5, 3, 2, 3, down, up. All right, let's do our little walk up. Okay, that's always a separate thing. Now hold your C add 9 chord and go like this. 5, 3, 2, 3, down, up. Next chord, a little different. 5, 3, 1, 2, down, up. Next chord, same as the first. 5, 3, 2, 3, down, up. D chord, 5, 5, 3, 1, 2, down, up. All right, so let me do that whole passage for you. All right, let's finish it. Grab this chord here. Reach your middle finger for the 6th string, 3rd fret. Now this one, kind of up the middle, so we'll go 6, 3, 2, 3, down, up. All right, slide up to our G chord here on our 5th fret, right up the middle as well. 6, 3, 2, 3, down, up. And then come to your D chord, and this one kind of fun. Emphasize the 6th string this time. 6, 3, 1, 2, down, up. And then do this thing at the end. He always does that. It sounds pretty nice. All right, let me play that part for you without talking. All right, so here's what it kind of sounds like. Ready? All right, let's pick the chorus part now. Come to your G chord. Same information here, guys. Just play the strings that I said there. But guys, if you hit a different string, who cares? Just have fun playing the song. It's just jamming out. All right, so G chord on the 5th fret. 6, 3, 2, 3, down, up, twice. Come to your A7 sus4 chord. We'll play this one from 5, 5, 3, 2. Okay, regular D chord. Emphasize the 6 here. We can kind of hit the high part. 3, 1. All right, our funky chord here, which is middle finger down here on 6, 2, or your first finger. Start from the 6, right up the middle. 6, 3, 2, 3, 6, 3, 2. Okay, up to our G chord once. 6, 3, 2. And just hit it once. There's no picking on this part. Bar chord on the 2nd fret, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then the D chord, we'll do our cool pattern here. Same kind of idea that we did on the verse. Just lift your middle finger. That part happens almost every single time. Let me play the chorus for you without talking. All right, up to the G chord. Ready, go. Found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.